Hello everyone. In this topic, we'll see how to perform binary subtraction using ones complement. Before going to the main topic, you have to know how to perform modulo 2 addition. In modulo 2 addition, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So till here it is like a normal mathematical operation. But in the last step, it is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. We'll be having a answer 0 with a carry 1. Ones complement subtraction. So before going to the main topic here, you have to understand how to get the ones complement of a binary number. So ones complement of a binary number is obtained by changing all ones to zeros and all zeros to ones. So you can see an example here. Ones complement of 101 is 010. Similarly, ones complement of 001 will be 110. Hope you got the concept how to get the ones complement of a binary number. Now, to perform ones complement subtraction, you have to follow some procedure. So the first step will be, so to carry a subtraction, you need two numbers, that is first number minus second number. So second number is called the subtrahend. So in the first step, you have to find the ones complement of the subtrahend. In the second step, you have to add the two binary numbers. So what are those numbers? That is to be, those numbers to be added are the first number and the ones complement of the subtrahend. In the third step, if the carry is produced in the addition, so while after the addition, if the carry is produced, then what you have to do? You have to add that carry to the least significant bit of the sum. In the last step, if the carry is not produced, then you have to take the answers ones complement and you have to give a negative sign. So we'll take an example here. It will be clear for you. So in the first case, we'll take subtraction of smaller number from bigger number. That is bigger number minus smaller number. So this will be a bigger number. This will be a smaller number. So 111,001 minus 101011. So the first step is determine the ones complement of the subtrahend. So you have to find the ones complement of subtrahend. Subtrahend is 101011. So you have to find its ones complement. So 1 will be changed to zeros and 0 will be changed to ones. So the answer is 010100. The second step is you have to add the two binary numbers. So what are those binary numbers to be added? You have to add the first number and the ones complement of the subtrahend. The first number and ones complement of the subtrahend is to be added. So we'll add it here and we'll check it what is the answer. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, but there will be a carry produced here. So in the most significant bit, again you have to add this 1 plus 1. 0 will be the answer, but with the 1 carry. So that carry we have to write it here in the last most significant bit. So in this addition, a carry is produced. this carry is called as end around carry. So you know the third procedure, if carry is produced in the addition, what you have to do? You have to add that carry to the least significant bit of the sum. So we will add that carry to the least significant bit of the sum. So what's the answer? 1 plus 1 will be equal to 0. This one will write 1 plus 1 will be 0. This one will write here. This one is written here. We'll write it here. So this will be your final answer. So just to revise here, what's the first step? You have to take the ones complement of subtrahend. Second step is you have to add the two binary numbers, first number and the ones complement of subtrahend. After addition, when you get the carry, you have to add the carry to the least significant bit of the sum. Then the last answer after addition, what you got here, this will be your final answer. So this is the second case, that is subtraction of smaller number minus bigger number. Here also it's same step here. You have to take the ones complement of a subtrahend. So subtrahend is 1 1 1 0 0 1. So you have to take its ones complement. You will get it as 0 0 0 1 1 0. Next step is you have to add the two numbers. That is, you have to add the first number and you have to add the ones complement of subtrahend. So this is your first number and this is your ones complement of subtrahend. So after addition, you will get 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry here. So 1 plus 1 will be 0 with carry here. So 1 plus 1 will be 0 with carry here. That carry you are writing it here. And the last one, 1 plus 0 is 1 here. So this will be your final answer. So you can check here that while addition, there is no carry produced here. Carry is not produced in the addition. So in the fourth step, you know that if the carry is not produced in the addition, what you have to do? You have to take the answers or the sums ones complement. So the ones complement of the answer is 1 1 0 0 1 is the sum. So here you have to take its ones complement. So it will be 0 0 1 1 1 0. And don't forget to give a negative sign. So this will be your final answer. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you.